Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can transform PDF file to Photoshop files, like to transform PDF into PSD, because sometimes you may design something for your clients on Fiverr or Upwork or whatever. The client may request for the source file. So what the source file means is that the person need you to give the source file so that he or she can edit it wherever he or she is. So the easiest way to do this is to come to Canva. Okay, to come to Canva. I'm not going to design a new one now. I'm just going to use the one I've designed already for my clients to show you how you can exactly do this. Okay, but if you want to learn how to use Canva to design, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, anytime I make a video on Canva, you can be the first person to receive the message and you go ahead and watch the video. But if you really need me to teach you how you can use Canva, just comment on this video that please, Ekeson, teach me how to use Canva, and I will make the video right away and post it so that you too can learn. Okay, so quickly let me just use one of these ebook cover that I've designed. Let me use this email marketing to demonstrate this. So what you need to do is, after you finish designing, this is the design I have made on Canva. Very nice. Once you are done with your design, or this is the first page, this is the second page. Alright, once you are done, you just come here, you open it, you click on download. Okay, click on download. Then here you can see it's written PNG. Just open it, okay, and you select PDF print high quality. You select it and then you click on download. Alright, you enter your Canva folder and then you can rename the file that you have downloaded. Okay, let me rename this one as let me just name it testing. Okay, testing email marketing ebook cover. Okay, let me just keep it like this. Now you have successfully renamed the file. Then the next thing you need to do is to open your browser. In this case, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Opera Mini. Open your browser and then you type in photopea.com. So you open it. It's online Photoshop. You can use it for designing and all of that. Okay, so what you have to do is you come to open from computer, you click on it, click on download, and then you locate the file that you have downloaded, the PDF file that you have downloaded. So in this case, I have to go to Canva folder because it's on Canva folder. Go to Canva. You remember the name that we use, or testing. Okay, this is it. Testing email marketing PDF document. So you click on it, you wait for it to load to Photopea. Okay, now your file has successfully opened in Photopea. So what you need to do is you open layer. You can see your layer. You open layers. Page 1. Let's see page 1. You open page 1. You can see all the materials that you use to design it. Okay, let me just lock this one and see what will happen. Oh, you can see that the color have disappeared. Okay, let me on it again. You can see. So this is it. So what you need to do now is to click on File, Save as PSD. And if you want to save, maybe you have other files that you would like to save. If it's not on PSD, you can come to Export or Save More Options. No, Export. Okay, with this export, you can see there are many files here that you can save. You can save it as PNG, you can save it as JPEG, you can save it as SVG, and a whole lot of that. You can see them. But in this case, I'm not going to save in any of this file. I'm just going to save it as PSD. So once you click on PSD, the file will be downloaded as PSD. You can see file downloaded, Photopea PSD. Now let me try and see if it's working. Okay, if it's working, then I open it, open download the file that I've downloaded. Now let me see if it's working. Go to download, testing. I think this is it. This is the PSD file. You open it. Exactly, you can see the file is work. This is how you can change any of your files from PDF to Photoshop documents or SVG and all of that. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please, if you want to learn how to design with Canva, just drop the link on this video and I will make a video on that. Okay, thank you.